Fala, galera!
We're back at La Vecindad. Now, this is supposed to be dessert after the 7-pound challenge at Dick's Last Resort. But when we got here, they told us about the 50 taco challenge. So we did that. That was the last video we put out there. 50 tacos in 5 minutes. Now for our third challenge of the day. Yes, third challenge. We're finally trying the Torta. Now this Torta is huge. There's tons of stuff in this Torta. As you can see, everything they're putting in here. It is just an amazing feast into itself. We only have 23 minutes to do this challenge. And normally, tortas are my favorite thing to eat in the world. And absolutely, a Cubana torta is the #1 thing. But by this point, I am feeling so full and tired of eating. I almost want no part of this, but I know it's going to taste delicious, so I hang in and fight this one to the very, very end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the guys with me, and I'll see you guys again soon. Here we are back at Pico de Gallo for their Torta challenge. It's El Cubano. It is a massive torta. There are so many things in here. We're going to list them up and tell you what's all in here, but just one of the small ingredients is 6 eggs. So you can't, there's so much in here. It's going to be a fun challenge. Now we just did the 50 tacos, so we're not exactly fresh. This is our third challenge of the day, but it looks so good when we were here that we have to try this. I'm here again with my good friends Ricardo Corbucci Eats, Brandon, the Garbage Disposal Clark. I'm going to link them in below. Please subscribe though. I don't know why you're not subscribing to these guys if you're not. Follow them, please, and don't forget Ivna Corbucci. We have 23 minutes to eat this entire sandwich. We don't have to do the jalapeno, and it's $40 sandwich if we fail, or it's free if we win. So let's go.
Okay.
What are we doing after this?
Ice cream.
We all finished. We get ice cream?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, yes.
I was hoping you'd say no.
Se terminar, vai ter sorvete de graça.
We're going to be a little slower since we just did 50 tacos.
That's fine, no problem. Let me know when you guys are ready by raising your hand.
Freeze.
Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Valeu.
All right, let's go.
Ooh.
Up.
All right.
Oh, it's hot.
Whoa. Wow, okay.
See me, I'm going to put that up. Oh yeah, I taste that salsa.
Ooh. I can taste the spice just on the sauce.
Wow.
Ooh, it's hotter than the salsa. I'm trying to make a pretend sandwich here. This thing is so huge. Is your guys spicy? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a lot spicier than the tacos. I'm looking at 23 minutes, folks. I'm gonna have to tag in the great eater, Ivna Corbucci, to help me out. Excuse me, chicken breast?
I was thinking about ice cream.
It'll cool off the burning of my tongue. Is there a nap time in the middle of this?
An happy time?
Not some tacos. I'm just trying to get this under the 23.
I don't know how he's doing it over there. Gosh, you guys are crushing this.
$15 minutes, 52 seconds.
So we got left.
That's what you got left. You got plenty of time.
Oh. I'm not acting, guys. I am stuffed.
Hot.
No, I'm glad to be done with steak.
They're betting on the skinny guy.
Me? Oh, I thought you said skinny guy. I'm sorry.
Everyone's saying
We take turns letting each other win. I don't know know what he's doing up there.
He likes Torta.
Somebody check under the table with this guy.
Right, let's check under the table, yeah.
Oh. The meat on this thing never ends. Every time I think I'm done, I cover more meat.
So we're getting close to a winner. Corbucci, you've won in 10 minutes, 9
Good
seconds.
job.
I think I'm hitting the hot spot again.
We're gonna wait so I can take a picture of the three of you guys.
Oh yeah, that'd be great. My lips will be on flames.
How do we get burn?
Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Oh, sorvete, galera, que tá queimando. Want some ice cream?
Oh my goodness. Eat a torta, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Our viewers are hoping that you guys do the molcajete challenge.
The what?
It's the molcajetes, that's our third challenge that we have, which is the spicy salsa with the shrimp.
Oh yeah?
But I think we're gonna leave it for next time, perhaps.
Not today.
I know I am. Where's that ice cream man?
What is it?
Where's the ice cream man?
We're gonna get you some ice cream once you finish.
Oh my gosh.
It's about to finish.
Don't let him go on break.
Perfect, perfect.
My tongue is burning.
Yeah. And the second winner, we have it in 5 minutes, 3 seconds. Bravísimo, bravísimo.
Oh, my lips. Thank you, thank you.
Garbage disposal.
Garbage
Yes.
disposal in tercero.
This is going to be so good. I actually don't even want to use it now because I know I'm going to savor how good this is going to feel. Good job.
Good job.
I was not feeling that. Nice job, Brandon.
Aplauso. Big clap for them. Beautiful, beautiful.
Wow, that was a tough one, guys. Very few challenges that I struggled this much with just figuring out some way to go. But no matter what I did, I just couldn't eat it any faster. I have no idea what Ricardo did. He tore through this challenge. So impressive. Good job, Ricardo.
Thank you.
Good job. And Brandon was right on me. I'm telling you, this is supposed to be only jalapenos, but it is very hot jalapenos.
Yeah, let's see this jalapeno right
You got the $40 meal for free
Right.
and live to see another day. There was touch and go for a while. Thanks for coming to another video. Make sure you check these guys out in the description below. See you guys again soon.